Hello, aspiring homeowners and dream builders. I'm Renee Wagner, your navigator through the exhilarating journey of creating your custom dream home. Imagine a place that's distinctly yours, tailored to your desires and lifestyle. Today, we're diving deep into what it takes to turn that dream into a reality. We'll explore everything from the unique financial aspects of custom home construction to the importance of assembling the right team and making each design choice count. So grab your blueprint dreams and let's start building. The dream begins. A deep dive into the process. Building a custom home is an adventure that starts with a vision. This vision shapes every decision, from choosing the perfect location to laying the final brick. It's a process that requires patience as often as it involves land acquisition, securing financing, and detailed planning before construction even begins. This is your story unfolding. Each chapter, from the initial sketches to selecting the finishing touches, is a step closer to the home you've always imagined. Assembling your dream team. The key players, your dream home success hinges on the team you choose. A dedicated architect will translate your vision into a tangible design, considering every aspect from natural light to flow between rooms. A reputable builder brings this design to life, ensuring quality craftsmanship and adherence to timelines. Interior designers add another layer, infusing your personality into the home's look and feel. And don't forget the landscape architects, who can transform your outdoor spaces into an extension of your living area. Selecting the right professionals who respect your vision and budget is crucial for a harmonious build. Financing your build. Understanding construction loans. The financial path of building a custom home is unique. Instead of a traditional mortgage, you'll likely use a construction loan. These loans are designed for home construction, providing funds in stages or draws as the building progresses. You only pay interest on the amount dispersed, not the total loan value, which can ease your financial burden during construction. Once your home is complete, this loan usually converts into a standard mortgage. Navigating this process can be complex, so working with a financial advisor familiar with construction loans is invaluable. The design phase. Crafting your personal oasis. The design phase is where your home starts to take shape. Beyond just aesthetic choices, this stage is about creating spaces that reflect your lifestyle and preferences. Consider how you use your home. Do you love to entertain? Do you need a quiet, cozy nook for reading? Every decision, from the layout to the materials, impacts the final feel of your home. It's a collaborative process with your architect and designer, requiring open communication and sometimes a bit of compromise. Navigating permits and regulations, laying the groundwork. Before construction begins, your project must navigate the landscape of permits and zoning regulations. This groundwork ensures your home is safe, compliant, and built to last. Your builder or project manager typically handles this phase, but staying informed is beneficial. Understanding the requirements can help set realistic timelines and prevent unforeseen delays. Construction. The transformation begins. The construction phase is a dynamic and at times hectic stage where your dream physically takes shape. It involves a myriad of skilled tradespeople, each playing a vital role in building your home. Regular site visits and open dialogue with your builder will help you stay connected to the process, allowing you to witness your vision becoming a reality and make adjustments as needed. The final touches, realizing your vision. As construction nears completion, the focus shifts to the interior and landscaping, the final layers of your personal touch. It's a time to see your choices in fixtures, finishes, and furnishings come to life. This stage is thrilling as you watch your dream home emerge in full detail. It's also a period for final adjustments, ensuring every element aligns with your vision. Building a custom home is a journey of transformation, not just for the land you build on, but for you as well. It's a path filled with discovery, challenges, and ultimately immense satisfaction. With the right team, a clear understanding of the financial process, and a vision that guides each decision, your dream home will stand as a testament to your perseverance and taste. I'm Renee Wagner, here to help you navigate this journey with expertise and passion. Reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, in the world of real estate, dreams do come true, especially with the right guide by your side.